story time. Oh, it's been so long since I've done a video. And it is time to get back in the saddle again. And this is the January Mani by Me box by Maniology. And so it came yesterday. And I am so excited. This is going to be almost like a coloring book type box. I love coloring. I love doing this. This is going to be fun. So let's open it up. Ah, isn't this beautiful? Oh, it's purple. It's all purple. So here is the page. It's Renaissance with this, and it has some dark purple and dusty gray, metallic gold. You can read that. So many options. The Mani by Me box is $25 a month. You can skip boxes. You can choose boxes. They always give a preview on the website if it is the box that you want. And look at that. Yes. Did I not say coloring book for your 10 tiny canvases? Here it is. Yes, for your nails. Look at that. This is Reverse Stamping Paradise. This is going to be so much fun. So, let's get down to this. Here is nail lacquer. They all. Let's get this opened. Oh yeah. Got it. Don't ruin the press-ons. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, purple. That is lovely. This one is Baroque. Yeah, Baroque. And this one is Renaissance. The Baroque era. Just like the Baroque paintings. Oh, piece of cardboard. Ooh, you say stamping addict like it's a bad thing. That's hilarious. Alright, and for the plates. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Look at that. Oh my. I love the roses. This is going to be pretty fun. Yes. Let's see what this one is. That's upside down. And lots of florals and flourishes and greenery and roses and oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Those look like lemons right there. It's gonna be so much fun. So much fun. All right. And these are gold stickers. I got the plates because of the roses. Yes, I do peek. Oh, lovely. These are actually very nice. Alright. So that is what's in the box. Let's get to swatching these and see what we can see how well these are. Alright, so we have this. And we have that, and then we need a stamping plate. This one of these will work. Yes. And I'm going to take off the film. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And so we are going to have a brand primed with Dawn dish liquid. That's how you prime your stampers. You wash the heads in Dawn dish liquid, and it should take off any of the manufacturing oils from the stamp head. So beautiful. Both stamps, both the plates stamp beautifully, just gorgeously. So this is a lovely box, and I'm going to enjoy this.